Hey guys, Tory from Cosmos Gaming here, and I'm at Comic-Con 2013 in New York City. Let's go check it out. Yo, right behind me is a small-scale replica of South Park Town, and you get to go inside for 10 minutes and see the video game that's coming out soon called Stick of Truth. I found Waldo. He's over here. Yo, I am with Kick-Ass.
That's me right over here.
That's him. But reality, what's your real name?
My name's David.
Nice to meet you, David, and welcome to Comic-Con 2013. What are you most excited about today?
Just a lot of good panels and just walking around as Kick-Ass kicking ass.
Have you been asked a lot to get photos with people?
Actually I just walked in right now, so here,
Okay.
down the street coming down here from New York, yeah.
Now, did you get the 3-day pass, 4-day pass?
3-day pass.
And so this will be your second day, and how was your day yesterday?
Yesterday was pretty good. I wasn't Kick-Ass yesterday, but it was pretty Kick-Ass.
You were just a normal guy?
No, I went as somebody from Batman.
Oh, did you? Which character?
A villain from, it's a smaller arc, the Court of the Owls. It's like a suit, nice little mask thingy going on.
Very cool. All right. Well, thank you. Enjoy your day.
No problem.
I am here with Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. Mermaid Man, Barnacle Boy, how are you guys doing today?
Excellent.
Amazing. Now, what is your favorite line you have ever said on SpongeBob SquarePants?
Ooh, so many lines.
Oh, so
So many days, so
My
many
favorite
people.
though, Mumbling Maury's Mermaid Man.
My favorite, obviously you all know it, it's evil!
We are at Comic-Con 2013. How else are you guys going to enjoy your day?
We want to see the panels. The panels are amazing.
I want to meet John Barrowman.
So excited for
And
John
that's it.
Barrowman.
Literally, John Barrowman.
We met Felicia Day yesterday and it was awesome. She was so awesome. I loved it.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much. Enjoy your day.
No, thank you. And you.
And you.
And the viewers.
Comic-Con's gone scandalous. Hey Finn, what time is it? That's right, it's adventure time! I am your father! Arr! It's so fluffy!
Nobody could find it, like